Welcome back, my friends. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is Silver Slayer, and welcome to one of my several silver giveaways that I'll be doing over the next couple of months as we approach 100,000 subscribers. If you guys don't know how to enter, I'm going to be saying the rules in just a second. There's also probably going to be a lot of bots, impersonators, scammers. They're going to try to trick you. Since it looks just like me, the same thumbnail, the same name, they're going to say that you won this giveaway and to claim your prize by messaging them on Telegram or WhatsApp. Do not fall for that. People have fallen for that in the past. You will only win this giveaway when I personally will reach out and tell you to email me at a specific email. Their name will not be highlighted in gray. Click on their channel. It will say 0 videos, 0 subscribers. Do not fall for that. You only win the giveaway once I personally reach out to you and tell you to email me at a specific email. It will not be Telegram or WhatsApp. Some people are falling for it. I'm sure a lot of you know it's not me, but just please, every time I post a giveaway video like this, let alone all my videos, but this one is definitely going to get hit hard. So please be safe. Do not reply to them. If anything, report them. And yeah, just keep yourself safe and others. If you see someone else talking to those people, please let them know that's not Silver Slayer. My moderator and I have been dealing with this problem for years now. And the bigger I get, the worse it's going to get. It's not like it's just one person. This is an organization of people. And as soon as we block and report one of them, another one pops up. So you got to be careful. I hate to even have to mention this, especially in a giveaway entry video, but I just want you all to be safe, and it kills me when I hear someone fell for it and got their money taken. And if you are one of those scammers listening to me right now, respectfully and politely, please go screw yourself. So anyways, let's go over the rules. Now, every single giveaway of mine, there's 3 rules. First one is you got to be subscribed, so click subscribe. The second one is only 1 entry per person, and the site I use, the tool I use, will disqualify you before you even get a chance. Your entry won't even get put in the algorithm for a chance of winning if you try to enter more than once. And 3, you have to use the entry word. So we're going to be using hashtag road to 100K. So hashtag ROADTO 100 and then K in all capitals. Let me say that one more time. Hashtag capital ROADTO 100K. And that is how you have just successfully entered for a chance to win an entire tube of sealed eagles. That is going to be the first prize of this giveaway. And next month, we'll be doing a prize just as big, if not bigger. And once we hit 100K, I'll be doing a special prize. But yeah, that's how you enter. 1, you got to be subscribed. And I highly recommend clicking the bell as well, because if you don't click the bell, then you'll potentially miss the next entry video or miss the giveaway announcement winner video. When you click the bell, that means you get notified, and you have to actually click the bell twice. You click the bell once, and then you have to click all so you get notified for all my videos, or you're going to miss a lot of my videos when they get posted. They'll get buried in your subscription feed, and you'll never even know that another giveaway entry video is live right now. So make sure you do that. Make sure you do that. 1, you got to be a subscriber. 2, only 1 entry per person. And 3, hashtag capital ROADTO 100K. You can also write a comment before or after. As long as that hashtag is in your comment, that is valid. But make sure you don't do it weird, like don't reply to someone else's comment as your entry, or don't somehow reply twice or something. Just don't do that. Just make a comment and have that in there. You don't want, these sites that do this, they'll go through all the comments that have that. So you want to make sure that your comment is just clean, easy. Just write, hey, I love your videos, or I've been stacking for you, and at the end of that, just put the hashtag in there. Or you could do the hashtag and then write that. As long as it's in that one comment. So yeah, that's how you enter. I just wanted to say I appreciate every single one of you real quick. I've been working on this channel for a long time, since 2015 actually. And I bet it's kind of funny because I've been doing these giveaways from the beginning. It's usually Slayer hashtag, or it's hashtag Slayer 1K, and then you know then when I reach 2,000 subscribers, hashtag Slayer 2K, and the most recent one I think was 70K, hashtag 70K, because and if you go back all the years, you'll see hashtag 50K, hashtag 55. I've probably handed out tens of over 10,000, $20,000 worth of silver and gold, and that's just my way of showing my appreciation for you all. Even if you put a massive dent, which you probably have, in my silver stack, it doesn't matter, just because without you all, I wouldn't have any of this. The silver stacking community is what I found for myself to even start stacking in the first place, and watching my videos is how I can purchase my own silver set aside. And actually that just reminds me that my Andy Scheckman is also going to be throwing in some silver to the winner as well. So your giveaway prize just doubled. Now I doubt he's going to be giving prizes away to every single giveaway that I'm going to be doing, since I'll be doing like 4 or 5 over the next 5 months. But I'm sure that, and I'll just tell him for this first one, that's who he could send the prize to. So it's going to be a huge giveaway, and that's why I recommend everyone enter. You'd be surprised. Yes, it might seem like a lot of people are entering, but why not just throw your shot out there? All you have to do is click one button and type 6, 7 letters or whatever it is, and then you just set yourself up for a chance to get an entire sealed tube of Eagles shipped straight to your front doorstep. I mean, why not? And I've picked a lot of winners over the years. I think someone actually won twice. It was so crazy. Like, this guy must have, I told him he better go try to put in some lottery numbers, because that was insane. And I think that was for like my 45K giveaway or something, 50K. But yeah, sometimes people get lucky. I mean, who knows? The universe works in mysterious ways. So if you've already won before, don't think, oh, well, there's no way I'll win again. Just try, right? Just try. And may the luckiest stacker win. And I do love when, and if you're a newer stacker, you just found my channel, in your comment, let me know that. I love when the winner, someone wins, because when I do pick the winner, it will show your comment. So it will say, hashtag road to 100K. Hey, I just found your channel. I'm a new stacker. I love the community. I love your videos. And that's so cool that that one of the winners of my giveaway is a new stacker, and I could send him his first ounce of silver, yada, yada. So that's always cool. Or just tell your story. Say, I've been stacking for 5 years. I got introduced from whatever, however it is, tell your story. That's always the coolest type of way to, for me at least, when I'm picking a winner, is to kind of hear their story or how long they've been stacking. So you could do that as your entry comment, and then make sure you just have the hashtag in there. And yeah, I don't know. I mean, I think it's pretty self-explanatory as long as you know the 3 rules. Like I said, there's probably going to be some impersonators that will look like me. It will say Silver Slayer, the same thumbnail, everything, but their name won't be highlighted in gray like mine will. I'm actually not going to be responding to any comments because I don't want to mess up the giveaway algorithm. I don't know, like maybe if I commented on someone, I just don't want to mess with it. So I'm not going to be replying to any comments on this video because I want everyone to have an equal chance, an equal opportunity of getting picked when I do pick, or when the site does pick the winner. But if someone else does try to comment on yours, don't worry, just don't respond. You could even report them. My moderator will go in and he will send me the link. I'll block the channel. He will report it, and they won't be able to comment on my channel anymore. Yes, there's probably going to be more that pop up, but we'll keep trying to we'll stay consistent, trying to keep everyone safe. We do this all day, every day. He sends me like 10 channels a day. I swear, I'm not even kidding. It's insane. I've probably blocked over 1,000 plus 2,000 of these impersonators, and it's always just me. They're focused on me. They'll use it. It's insane. It's insane. We've been trying to figure out ways to work it. I've increased my comment strictness. We've cut back the amount somewhat, but they're always going to come through. And that's because people are still falling for it. Anytime someone falls for it and they make a couple $100, why would they have any reason to stop? They're going to stop when people stop falling for it, because that'll be a waste of time for them. But like, I know like a couple of days ago someone lost like $600 or something along those lines, maybe even more. So that's just going to encourage them to keep wanting to do this because it's working. So I try to tell everyone, please do not respond on Telegram and WhatsApp. Those are very sketchy apps anyways, right? Don't ever message anyone on those apps anyways. If I was ever to reach out to you, it would be me telling you to email me on my personal email, which is info.silverslayer@gmail.com. That's actually me, if you ever wanted to know anyways. But so anyways, yeah, sad that a lot of this entry video had to be talking about not getting scammed from these impersonators, but I had to say it, and I really do hope you guys understand how grateful I am for you all. Make sure you enter using all of the rules. You got to be subscribed, and make sure you click the bell so you don't miss the winner announcement or the next entry video. Thanks for tuning in. This was Silver Slayer. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.